Welcome back to my channel, guys. Joy of Risk Target One Day. So last week was a fantastic week. I'll just show you a lot of things that has happened last week and trades which we have taken in the Discord, and our members also are taking regarding that. Okay. So let's start with DXY. I'll just show you last week. This was our analysis on 17th of August, and on DXY we said market will be from this level, market will be shooting up to this 98.336 level. From our research right now, you can see where the market is. It has went and top, taken 98.3 level and started to drop. This drop also we were expecting. I'll show you in our Discord channel how do we expect this drop, but we have not taken this drop, but we were expecting from USD Chief we have taken that shells. I'll show you just in a bit. Okay. Now as expected, market has come to here, and after it came to again drop. Now what do we expect here, since this has been completed? Okay, so now the trend line over here will be gone, and what do we expect? We expect market to small push and just consolidate right now, and yeah, maybe this can the move. This move is possible. One small push, then up move, then again down. So this can be a thing, making a small kind of trend line here. Let us see how, like this, exactly like this. Okay, this is how we'll be expecting in the upcoming week in DXY. So mostly push up, I can say push up from this level to push up for 98.5 around that level. Okay, and regarding EURUSD, we were expecting market to crawl up to test this area, and after that fall. Instead of that, market started to crawl. In the mid of the week on Wednesday, I have updated that this YouTube trade will be shooting up instead of coming to our level, and exactly it has tapped our level. After coming down, it went in opposite direction. But anyway, this level is still intact. Levels are the important. So I hope you have taken from this area to this area. It's good. If at all not, if you are not taken, that's completely fine. You have plenty more trades here. Okay. Now what do we expect? Still, what we exactly the same opposite of the DXY. Market will come here, small, and come, and let's see what does. This is the structure that we'll be seeing here. Okay, in EURUSD. And the next level, if you ask me, but right now it is too early to say here. I'll mark the level for you guys. It will be around this level. Okay, let's see what the market does. Let's see. This is the level that I'll be expecting for next to tap here, because this level already it has been touched. So I'll delete this, and right now this is the level that intact here. And regarding GBP USD, I was expecting market to climb up and come down, but anyway, the ultimate goal was coming down and started to crawl in a very short momentum, and started to push up. Okay, this consolidation was very narrow. If you see, it was very narrow, right? Anyway, fine. So next, what do we expect? We'll be expecting market to crawl down. This is what we'll be expecting, market to crawl down, and later on we'll be expecting market to push up. But right now, market will be expecting market to crawl down from this level. Okay. And New Zealand USD, yeah. I'll just show you before New Zealand USD. I'll just show you what else we have done in the Discord. Just a second. Okay, this is our. Let me show you the Discord. Okay, this is our Discord. As you can see, this is our VIP membership. Let me just go to Forex trade setup and show you that from last week we were expecting what. See, first thing is we were expecting USD Chief to fall. Okay, from this area. I'll just show you a second. If you see here, let me go to USD Chief. As you can see, this was the level that we marked here, and from that we are expecting to fall. And this big impulse, you can see, right? See here, this big impulse from here, and you can see here, this big impulse. After it's consolidated, it went up again, it started to fall. So this trade also we have taken, and I'll show you we have booked profit around this level instead of waiting to this level. So this level has been closed, I can say. So right now it has touched our TP, and I'll show you people are making the profits also over here. And after that, this took quite a lot of time, so we didn't capture this move, but most of the people have captured this move. This was a great move that I can say. Okay, I'll show you that in a proof. See, this was the thing. This is the USD selling members. We have said that USD will be falling down. And after that, this is one more CAD, USD CAD we were expecting, but let me just focus on USD buy now. Again, after doing this, we took a buy at this point level, and you see, I'm just showing you the proof of concept that we are giving. Even one trade making 2-3% or 4%, that is very good. And if you see on the general channel, you will come to know that like I have traded this pair according to this, and people are doing great here, really great on BTC also. Okay, so this was a good trade, I can say. Let me just delete this right now. Okay, let me just focus on the coming pairs instead of wasting the time, and let's focus on this. Right now, New Zealand USD we were expecting. Okay, before that, I'll just show you what New Zealand USD has done. Just a second, guys. Next time I'll try to post with the timestamps, that will be helpful. Okay, since this is getting quite delay here. Okay, anyway, let it come. Anyway, we were expecting market to fall, but right now, just a second, I need to verify it here. The New Zealand USD, it's here. Just a second. Yeah, so if you come here, we were expecting market to fall to this level again, and it has fallen a sharp fall. You can see the sharp fall that market has done. And now what do we expect here? Now the thing is, like, you can have a trend line on this area, as you can see. Now let us see what market does here, because it is crucial here. New Zealand USD is behaving in different scenario, I can say. So let's see what it does, but I'll say do not trade right now on directly jump in New Zealand USD. Just wait to see the reaction at this level, and according to that we'll take a trade. Okay, so right now what we can expect here is market to consolidate on this range, and let us see what it does. But if at all, if it breaks this level, then the possibility will change here. That I'll let you know in the Discord group. Okay, and EURUSD, let me show what EURUSD has done. And we were expecting EURUSD to fall, and it started to fall similar to New Zealand USD, and it has reached again to almost the same level of this area. And what do we expect here? We do expect same thing, market is crawling in this direction right now. And if at all, if some other news impacts, let us see. Okay, right now with this simple move will not be sure. Let us see how the market behaves, because the fundamental because mostly on September Fed will be cutting rates. That's what they have mentioned. It does not mention it, it indicates. So let's see what they are exactly about to do. Okay, another 1 or 2 weeks. In 1 or 2 weeks, the market will be consolidating. That is the focus area. And USD JPY, we had two things here. One is market can break down from this level or go up. So this was in a state where we were not sure about this, and the market has given the push up. So this momentum here, and it has went way above and broken this top, and from this area market started to fall. Right now what we'll expect, we'll be expecting a small consolidation push up move, a small temporary push up move, I can say. So this will be the structure for the next week. Got it? and USDHF. As you know, USDHF, we were saying all these stuffs here and making our Discord group. I mean, making active plus taking trades. So we have taken 2 trades and made 2-3% from this level. That was a good trade. The first trade was this here, from here to here. And the second trade was this. This is also good. And now since the market is, we were expecting a little more higher here before crawling down. But let's see. Anyway, good trade it was. Let me delete this. And now what do we expect here? We will be expecting markets some consolidation for the coming weeks. Market to pushing up. I can see market to push up. This is what we'll be expecting. And if you have a good trade, let me know. I'll be let you know actually, so that I can do my research and I'll let you know, guys. So this is our forecast right now because we expect market to just consolidate for the upcoming weeks. That's what I can see. Let's see what it does. And gold, and you can see gold actually. Just a second. Gold. What I've said. Let's see last week. Then we'll come back to the start so that you will have a clear idea what's going on in gold here. Because in midweek I have taken the YouTube pair list here for explaining, so I have messed with the structures, I can say. So that is what I am just referring my back to my YouTube previous YouTube channel. Just give me a second. Okay, this is what last week's forecast was. Gold will be pushing down, after that it will be crawling up. Let's see what market has done here. Let me erase all this stuff. And let's see from where the market has been. I think last week I can say here over here, right? Yeah. And what market has done here, if you see here, market has come down and it has come, you see here from this area, it has come down, touching this level, and after that it started to push up. And after that in midweek I have explained the structure that is possible here. So breaking this top is highly possible. That is what I have said in the Wednesday session. And consolidation is a part, as you can see the trend line, and exactly that is what now gold has done. Okay, this was a good trade, but we have not taken the gold trade here, but since of the leverage concept, because we do not want to risk more leverage on gold here. That is the reason. But anyway, it was a good trade here. For upcoming week, what do we expect here? Let me delete this. This was a good trade, I can say. And now what do we expect? So since it is just reversing how the dollar is, if the dollar is going down, then gold will go up. That's the concept right now. Also the same thing. So I'll be focusing on the downtrend move on the gold, a temporary push. This is what I'm saying. Maybe because of fear, market can just take the top, crawl up, take the top, crawl up, take the top. It can do this also. Yes, possible because of fear with the DXY. This is a plan for the gold, but high probability is this 80% chance I can see market doing this. But this, because since it is gold, it can do these things also. Okay, but let's see what it does. So I'll be expecting this structure to happen. This should be in my favor. Let's hope for the best and let's see what market does exactly. And Nifty 50, this was we were expecting market to push down, but because of BRICS concept came in between, and the trade deal between Russia, China is going well. So in that case, that is what they have pushed. We have seen a push up here slightly, and now what do we expect? We expect same momentum to continue here, one more push down, and this will be the trade most probably. The Nifty 50. So focus on this parallel 4-hour chart, right? Okay. Next, BTC USD. BTC USD, we were expecting market to crawl in this zone. If you see, let me just show you. Okay, as you can see right now, BTC USD, we were expecting to fall down, and let's see what market has done. See, exactly, market has done the same thing. It has started falling. This was structure I explained in midweek. I'll ensure that next time I'll not repeat the same mistake on making the session on YouTube list. But anyway, so this was the structure. As you can see from this area, market has fallen, and if you see here, it was like 109 area, and exactly it came to 112, not 109 level. That's okay, fine. Let's see. But anyway, it has broken this bottom. That was the main goal, and now it started to push up. Let's see how much it goes. So let me delete this. Okay, and what we will be expecting? We will be expecting market to one more push up, and let us see what market does here. Maybe if it consolidates, still one more push up will be coming out. This is what I'll be expecting. But if it doesn't consolidate, if some news reaction comes, then we'll be expecting. Right now, you can say two things. One is push up and consolidates. This move you can do it. This is what for USD BTC right now, because see, without any confirmation, market can change within few hours, right? That is what I'm not giving you major riskier assets. I mean riskier moves. Only the moves which is confirmed, I'm just giving you that. Okay, that is what. But in the midweek, you can get an update on here if you join our Discord channel. With this, I like to conclude. If you want to join our Discord channel, the link will be, the website will be given below, or refer the previous video. You will get an idea. Okay. With this, I like to end my session. Have a great trading week ahead. All the best.